What is up and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cody Pratt. Tattoos cause cancer. White ink glows in the dark. You can't get a tattoo if you're too skinny. Any of these sound familiar? Well, today I am busting 7 of the most common tattoo myths and setting the record straight. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Tattoos hurt less if you're tough. Here's the truth. Tattoos hurt. So whether you're a bodybuilder or a yoga instructor, pain tolerance varies from person to person, and muscles don't block nerve endings. You can't flex away that pain, bro. Pain isn't about how tough you are, it's about how your nervous system processes discomfort. Some people handle pain better naturally, while others struggle with it, regardless of physical fitness or your mindset. And placement also plays a huge role. Ribs and elbows hurt more than thighs or arms, but it's okay to admit that it hurts. Part of the process. Myth number 2. White ink tattoos glow in the dark. I hate to break it to you, and honestly I feel like I shouldn't even have to be saying this, but white ink tattoos don't glow in the dark. So you're not going to light up like a glow stick at a rave. Now there are UV reactive tattoos that glow under a black light, but regular white ink tattoos are just white. I mean, white ink tattoos do look stunning, but they don't naturally glow in the dark. And like I said, UV reactive ink does exist, but it's not the same as a white ink tattoo. The UV reactive ink comes with its own risks. So if you are considering a UV reactive tattoo, which again is different than white ink, make sure that you do research on your artist and that is something that they specialize in. Myth number 3. Tattoos are unsafe and cause cancer. This myth has been around forever. While it is true that poor quality ink and unhygienic practices can cause problems, a professional shop follows pretty strict regulations. But good ink, sterilized equipment, and a clean shop are perfectly safe. But the tattoos themselves don't cause cancer. The key is ensuring that your artist uses high quality ink and follows strict sterilization protocols. The cheap ink or dirty equipment can cause risks, which is why you should always go to a licensed tattoo artist. A clean shop and a skilled artist make for a safe tattoo. Myth number 4. You can't get a tattoo after donating blood. Now this one is a half-truth, because you can donate blood after getting a tattoo, but there is usually a waiting period. And in most places, you have to wait about 4 to 6 months after getting a tattoo in order to donate blood, just to be safe. But the rules around donating blood after getting a tattoo vary by location. But in most regulated studios, that waiting time is 4 to 6 months. Just check with your local blood donation guidelines for your area to make sure you're safe. But rest assured, getting tattoos won't permanently disqualify you from donating blood. Myth number 5, tattoos stretch and ruin if you lose or gain weight. Yes, your skin stretches when you gain weight, but that doesn't mean your tattoo is going to turn into a Picasso painting. Small weight changes usually have little to no effect on tattoos, but big changes like pregnancy or extreme weight gain or extreme weight loss might distort the design slightly. But moderate weight gain or loss won't ruin your tattoo. Skin is elastic and tattoos adapt pretty well. If you do see distortion in your tattoo due to big changes like pregnancy or extreme bodybuilding or a lot of weight gain or loss, you're going to really notice it in areas like your stomach or your biceps. But overall, tattoos are more resilient than people think. Myth number 6, you can't get a job if you have tattoos. It's 2025. Tattoos are more accepted in the workplace than ever before. But yes, some industries still have outdated views. Creative fields, tech, hospitality, these industries tend to be a little more tattoo friendly, while corporate or client-facing jobs might have stricter rules. Tattoo acceptance in the workplace has come a long way, and it really does depend on the industry that you're in and also your company's culture. Again, creative jobs, tech industries, and honestly just many modern workplaces don't really bat an eye at visible tattoos. But if you are worried about this, make sure you check your company's policies before going full neck tattoo. And myth number 7, tattoo ink can travel to your organs. Honestly, this myth just sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Yes, ink particles can move to your lymph nodes, but they're not traveling to your heart or your brain. your ink isn't taking a road trip through your bloodstream. Again, ink particles do migrate slightly in your body, mostly to your lymph nodes. This is a natural response from your immune system and isn't harmful. It's not a sign of ink traveling to your heart or to your brain. And if you're getting tattooed in a reputable shop with high quality ink, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Tattoo myths are everywhere, but most of them are just that, myths. Do your research, trust your artist, and remember, tattoos are a safe and really beautiful form of self-expression when done right. Have you heard any wild tattoo myths? Let me know in the comments below and let's bust them together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.